some years ago, somebody who's very famous in the IT industry made this comment at a conference. He said, if automotive technology, car technology, had kept pace with computer technology over the past few decades, you'd now be driving a V32 instead of a V8, and it would have a top speed of 10,000 miles an hour. Right? So this is somebody really proud of what's happened in the IT industry. We've invested all this stuff. We're really going places. And talking to the car executives. Or you could have an economy car that weighs 30 pounds and get 1,000 miles to a gallon of gas. You know, if only you guys had learnt from us in the IT industry, this is what it would be like. In either case, the sticker price of the new car will be less than $50. Now what does that mean? That means technology is changing very fast. It's improving in this area. The functionality is doing this. I wouldn't want to go at 10,000 miles an hour. I get frightened over 100 miles an hour. But, you know, that's what they would provide. But it's all about cheapness. Yes? That was Bill Gates talking to some senior executives of the car industry. I think it was the following day, one of the leaders of the car industry said this: if General Motors had developed the same technology as Microsoft, then we would all be driving cars with the following features. Your car, without any obvious reason, would have an accident twice a day. The seats would require that everyone had the same size buttocks. Every time the road markings were replaced, you would have to buy a new car. Before inflating, the airbag would prompt you, do you really want to inflate me? And in order to switch off the engine, you would have to press the start button. Now, it's a very gentle criticism, but I think it's fair. Very often, technology companies, including the utilities like gas, electricity, water, have been obsessed with functionality, with technical improvement. And what this gently says is we have to do things for human beings. Now,